Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
First of all, let's try to change the primary location. Right? We don't want it to be Chicago. Let's say we wanted to do something else. So we go to the related actions. Okay. Everything that you do, you have to take the related actions of the object. So we are doing it for executive. So I will go to the object related actions and then supervise the organization. The first option. And I can edit the primary location. Right. I can edit the primary location. So it will ask me, okay, you want to do it, but from what effective date? So if you do not remember when this organization was created, right? It was created on the 7th of March. I mean with an effective date of 7th of March. But if you do not want to remember, or maybe if you want to do it from the beginning of time, you use something like this, 01/01/19/100. That denotes in Workday. That denotes the beginning of time. 01/01/19/100. If you do not know any time, or maybe you want to backdate it till the beginning of time, this is the date you will use. 1st of January 1900. Okay, let me use that and click OK. So it's there. Okay, now, what is the primary location now? So let's find out. Let's say London or maybe New York. Right. Let's use New York. There will be many New York. Let me choose the right, New York. Oh, not sure if this is the right one. Very difficult. Anyway, how do we get to know which is right one? How do you know? I have my way. You see, it says primary location for organizations. So many people are using it. So 31 organizations are using it. So that's why I went with this. Typically, when you create locations, we will create locations tomorrow. When we create locations, we have to make it a bit more meaningful, rather than putting it like New York and so on. So I just had a question. Yeah. Go ahead. So whenever we create a location, every time there will be a related action. Stop beside it, like generally. For every object in Workday, you have a related action. You have a related action over there. Yes. For every object you have a related action. Alright, so now we are in XYZ Motors. Executive. Let's look at the details now. You see, the primary location is New York. And that comment is gone. Location is inherited from the superior. That comment is also gone because we have broken the chain. We have not. We are no longer inheriting from the superior organization. One more question here. Example, just we have changed the primary location. And previously, which was the primary location, can be find that. The history of a changing. how many times we have changed. You can go to the related actions again. And then there is this audit. This audit. You can view the audit trail. Alright, you can view the audit trail, and you can see from what day range you are going to view the audit range. So let's say, I want to view it from 0 to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 22. So for this last 1 week, I want to view it. So it will give you the audit trail, but we made the change with an effective date of 1st of January 1900. So that means a beginning of time. That makes it a bit difficult to view. But still you can view it. You can go to the audit. You can view audit trail. And you give the date. Like let's say, from beginning of time. This is 01/01/1900. Zero 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 0000 and click OK. So it will give you all the changes that we made. You see here the first one. Organization has primary location. So added New York. We have added the location of New York. Got it. Yeah. Alright. Because prior to that it was inheriting from the superior. So on that particular day we have added. Okay. So now we have created this subordinate. Let's quickly create another one, right? Because we need it. We need the other one, that is, XYZ Motors sales. Let's quickly create that. So let's go here. And what is the option? To go and create a subordinate? Related actions and then reorganization. We have a realization. We have subordinate. Thank you, you guys are excellent. The 0307. And OK. And let's give it a name. So it is a Woothies is the one we are creating, XYZ Motors. Preacher, I have a doubt. So how important it is to specify the date, the effective date, availability. Very important, I would say. Very important, why? Why? Because let's say you are creating this. Because that is the day this organization becomes effective. As part of the training. It's okay, you can use any date. But when? This? Because, you see, this is the system of record. In the real system, in the production system. This is the system of record. People will come back and they will audit. When was this department created? The auditors might want to know that. So unless you put in your dates properly, you will have a wrong information. Let's say you are creating it now. You are creating it today, and you by a mistake. You choose the availability data today's date. But you want to hire someone with an effective date of 1st of January, 2011. Would you be able to do that? No, right. Because the organization was created today. How can you hire someone from 2011? May not be possible. But maybe this organization was supposed to be created with an effective date of 2000. But maybe we didn't pay attention. We just created it with today's effective date. So effective date is very, very important. The availability date effective date is very important. Okay. Here also we will choose organization subtype as department. Visibility will automatically inherit. Include the organization code as part of the name. Right. We will do this and click on Submit.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.